Ever been on a ride that feels like it was designed by a mouse who drank 5 energy drinks? Welcome to the Wild Mouse at Nagashima Spa Land. Tiny cars, zero chill, and turns so sharp they feel personal. There are no big drops here, just non-stop. Why are we spinning like this energy? Blink and it's over, scream and it's perfect.
I'm not feeling very safe with you. Have your belt.
The brakes work.
To see more of the park, you can click the button at the bottom of the page to subscribe to our channel, or click the video next to it that YouTube is recommending that you watch next. As always, thank you very much for watching. We have been Troy and Asha from Coaster Couple, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hoping you can join us for the ride.